Okay guys, with this video I will show you step by step how you can make money with Facebook using your smartphone step by step. Okay, I decided to make this video because I am getting a lot of emails from my subscribers how to use a $300 daily system, and so I decided to make this video so you can see and understand exactly how you can make money from this system. Everything is for free, okay? You don't have to buy a domain or a host. You don't have to build your list, or you don't have to work harder. All you have to do is make some steps, very very easy steps, and you will earn money guaranteed. Okay, so basically for if you want to make money online, you need something to sell. Okay, you have to sell something online. Okay, so basically you need a product, and you have to build around this product a system. Okay, and then you have to get visitors to see your product. Okay, if you don't have visitors, if you don't have traffic, you will never make money online. Okay, so basically you need a product and you need a system. You have to build around your product a system. This is a landing page, and you need traffic to promote your landing page and make money online. Okay, so with this system, guys, you don't have to do a lot of work. I will show you exactly how you can do it. Okay, so basically you can visit $300 daily.com, and then you can see here affiliates. Okay, affiliates, all you have to do is click affiliates, and then you will get this page, so you can sign up as an affiliate to this program. It's free. Okay, so basically you can type here your name and your best email and your PayPal payment. Okay, you need your PayPal payment so you can receive a commission. Okay, this is very important to put your PayPal payment and your best email so you can get also receive a commission, and also you will get an emails from this system. Okay, now when you click submit, you will get your referral link, your affiliate link, like you see here in the top. And all you have to do is first you have to save this URL, your link. Okay, let's save this here. Okay, so basically this is my affiliate link, and all I have to do is promote this link. Okay, that's all I have to do. Now I will show you how to promote this link using Facebook, and how to get unlimited leads, and from there how to get unlimited sales and commission. Okay, this is so easy, like I said, and all you have to do is take action, and you will see a great results in the end. Okay, so basically when you have your link, you need a title. Okay, you need a great title, and I will show you how to get your title. You can go to the landing page like this, and you can copy this title. If you have a more converted title, it's okay, you can use it, but basically I am using this title free video. Let me show you how I make 100 to $300 dollars per day for my family. Okay, if you have something else, something more convert, that's great, you can use it, it's okay. Okay, okay, now you can copy this all this text and your URL. So let's copy, and basically you can save this in your smartphone, in your notepad, in your smartphone, and then you can work from your smartphone. Okay, you can work from everywhere using your smartphone. All you have to do is copy and paste in Facebook groups. Okay, so what groups you have to share, I will show you exactly. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. So this is a Facebook, and like you see, there is unlimited group. So let's go to and type here, make money online. Okay, you can see there is a lot of keywords here that you can type and search. Okay, so let's go make money online first, and then you can go to groups. That's it. So like you see, I already joined all these groups. Okay, you have to join all these groups, and then you can go click bank, click bank, and you have to join like I did. Okay, you can see I have joined all these groups, click bank and PTC, PTC. Let's say PTC website, PTC website, and all you have to do is join all this. I will join another. Okay, so basically you have to join all these groups. Okay, so PTC and make money online, ClickBank. Okay, ClickBank. This is very important. Okay, ClickBank. Let's ClickBank. Okay, and all you have to do is join. Let's see, new bucks, new bucks. Okay, not enough. Bitcoin. Okay, and all you have to do is join. Okay, I will join later, but basically you get the point. Okay, so make money online, ClickBank, Bitcoin, and PTC website. Okay, and you will find unlimited groups. All these members searching for make money online. Okay, this is very simple. All these members, group members, searching for make money online. Okay, so all you have to do is join all these groups, and then all you have to do, so let's back to make money online. All you have to do is like I said, you can do this using your smartphone. Okay, so all you have to do is visit groups and share your link. Okay, so like you see, this is my title, like I show you here. Okay, title and my affiliate link, and that's it. All you have to do is post. Okay, and I will get something like this. Okay, like you see, free video. Let me show you. Okay, this is my title, and this is a great image, and you can see here is my affiliate link. Now remember, you have to share your link daily, and like I said, you can use your smartphone. You can share your link everywhere. Okay, you have to share your link everywhere. On Facebook, you can use YouTube, you can use uh, any social media. Okay, you can use Twitter or Instagram. You can make videos and share your link. Okay, I don't know what is your skills, but you can use any traffic you know, and all you have to do is share your link and make sales. Okay, when you make sales, you will make a commission. You don't have to work harder. Okay, this is a free system. You don't have to pay for nothing. And all you have to do is take action and make money from this system. Okay, simple like that. You don't have to work harder, and all you have to do is share your link everywhere. You can use forums, you can use YouTube comments, you can use Facebook comments, you can use if you know SEO, so you can use SEO also. And if you want, you can use paid traffic. You can go to PTC website. Okay, this is very cheap traffic using PTC website, and you can pay for traffic and get unlimited traffic, commission, sales, leads from this system, and you will make money for free. Okay, so basically all this system is for free. You can use it for free. You don't have to pay for nothing. Okay, you don't have to pay for nothing. This is very important. The point from this video is to make money online for free and using your smartphone. Okay, very easy and very simple. Okay, this is not a hard work. I hope you will take action. Don't delay, and have a good day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thank you very much again. Thank you.